Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So today we have been working down here in our small garden on our asparagus patch. We went ahead and got all of the asparagus cleaned up, got all the weeds out of here, and you can see where all the asparagus are coming up. And then you can also see where there's quite a few that did not pop up this year. So I don't know if the weeds just overtook or if they died. So let me walk through real quick and you can see all the asparagus that we do have growing right now. So we actually went into town today to get mulch because we noticed that Ace finally had their mulch in stock. So we went over there to go get some, and unfortunately they did not have the natural mulch. They only had the dyed mulch. So we weren't able to pick that up, but we still went ahead and cleaned out all the weeds. And then as soon as that mulch comes in, which they said is coming in this week, we're gonna come through and we're gonna completely mulch this whole section right here so that the weeds do not continue to grow up and cause problems for our asparagus. So I'm really happy with our asparagus bed and how it's doing right now. Next thing on our list to do, not tonight, but in the next week or so, is to clean out the strawberry bed just like we did the asparagus, and also mulch that area so that way no weeds will grow up around our strawberries and they will grow perfectly, which they've already grown a lot, which I did not expect. I really expected these strawberries to die. The weeds were nuts last year, but they survived. So I just need to come through and definitely get the weeds out and then mulch them really nice so that way the weeds don't overtake my strawberries again this year. All right, friends, so I was tagged in a challenge called Get to Know Me by a channel called Where the Yo Cows Grow. I will leave her channel down in the description for you to check out. Let me answer some of these questions that she asked in this challenge. Yes, I have tons of pets. I've got my dogs, my cat, chickens, pigs, and pigeons galore. We've got tons of pets here on the homestead. Yes, I am married to my wonderful husband, Joe, and we bought this amazing property here in Kentucky. I am a occasional partaker in an alcoholic beverage here and there. Yes, I do enjoy a little drink here and there. Yes, I do believe in God. I keep him as the center of my life. I am a hot dog girl. I grew up on hot dogs and I absolutely love hot dogs. Favorite food would have to be Mexican food. I love Mexican food and I can cook some really good Mexican food. Just ask my husband, who is Mexican. I am a coffee drinker. Every single morning I have to have at least 1, if not 2 cups of coffee in the morning before I can get started. No, I cannot do 100 push-ups. My arms, I am not arm strong. I am leg strong. Favorite season of the year is definitely going to be spring with a close second fall. I love the cooler months, but not too cold and not too hot. Favorite hobby is gardening. I absolutely love getting out into the garden and watching things grow. I have a large tattoo on my back. It is the medical symbol with 3 flowers representing myself and my 2 girls. Yes, I have to wear glasses 24/7 or I'm blind as a bat. I do have a fear of snakes and leeches. I do not like leeches. Just the thought of something sucking on me, attached to me, sends me through the roof. I used to be afraid of ticks, but since moving here, I have quickly gotten over the tick fear. I do not have a nickname. I am just Katie. Anything dark chocolate with peanut butter is my go-to. I do not believe in ghosts. No. I don't. No. I love the rain, as long as I'm not driving in it. If I'm at home, I am sitting out on the porch watching and listening to the rain as it falls. I'm a rain girl. I have only got my ears pierced, but I do not wear earrings. I just turned 40 years old this year and I'm not ashamed of it. I'll take french fries, but I love onion rings on occasion. I have 5 children. I've got 2 daughters and 3 sons. My favorite color is purple. I think I can sing, And yes, I can whistle. I was born in Southern California and I have 3 siblings. I am the oldest of 4. I have myself, my brother, my sister, and another brother. Yes, I can definitely cook. Check out my playlist in my channel. I can swim. I am a fish. I have been able to swim since I was 3 years old. I am definitely a shower girl. I do not like taking baths in my filth. Shower it is. Nature, 100%. I came from the city. I was a city girl, and I am 100% a nature girl now. Am I a good friend? You'll just have to ask all of my friends. I have never broken a bone. I've had stitches in my lip once, and that was it. We have 6 TVs in our house. We do not have cable, and we do not have good internet. Therefore, we do not watch TV. We get the occasional DVD. Worst pain ever is definitely losing someone you love or losing one of your pets. That has to be the worst pain I've ever had. I don't know how to dance, but I love to think I know how to dance. If you had asked me 5 years ago, I would have said hotel. Now, I want to go camping. I'm very weird. I'm a quirky person, and I'm very shy. I have been gardening for 8 years, and it has progressed every single year. If I could, I would grow avocado. I can't grow avocado where I live, and I, coming from Southern California, love avocado. Grow zone is 6A. Alright friends, so I hope you enjoyed this video of getting to know me. Definitely go check out Where the YoCal Grows. She is the one who tagged me in this challenge. Now for the end of this challenge, I need to tag 5 people. So I'm going to tag LSR Adventure, 60 Acres and a Dream, Anna Wagner, Tiny Abundance Wellness, and Barb's Country Home. Alright friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.